I didn't change my life all at once. It happened step by step. 3 years ago, my life looked very different. I had a house, a routine, a version of life that looked perfectly fine from the outside. But inside, I felt restless, like I had outgrown something I couldn't quite name. So I started to make changes, not all at once, but just one step at a time. I sold my home, moved 4 times, spent 10 months out of 15 traveling around the world, started over in a new state. And in many ways, my life has changed more in the last few years than I ever expected. And here's what surprised me most. Change didn't come from one big leap. It came from being willing to let my life evolve, even when I didn't have the full picture. Because every time I allowed something to shift, I became someone slightly different, more open, more trusting, more willing to see what else might be possible. So if your life has been nudging you lately, maybe you don't need to figure it all out. Maybe you just take the next step and see who you become along the way.